If your kids like to work out, have we got a personal trainer? If they're learning the alphabet, we can make it as easy as ABC. And when it's time to share,
I'll only play with it for a minute. No, Zoe.
everybody gets a turn on Sesame Street, with all new home videos that are full of new ways for your kids to count, to dance, and to learn. Plus book and tape sets and audio for new ways to read and listen. From Sesame Street, the place where the laughter and the learning never end.
Play it again, Mom.
Sesame Street Home Videos and Audio. Award-winning and original entertainment. Created especially for young imaginations. From Sony Wonder.
It's so exciting.
Hey, that looks good.
Yeah! Sesame Street home video.
It's not that easy being a kid's man. There's not so much to know. We shook the use of life to help us as we grow. Wanna learn to give and take and share and lend a helping hand.
And to find out what to do when things don't work out like we planned.
Gotta learn to tell the truth. Gotta know what we should eat. Gotta learn to hold the grown-ups hand each time we cross the street. Gotta find out all about the world. It's time to get down to it. And we're proud we brought some friends along to help us while we do it. If advice is what you're looking for, we'll show you where to turn. The Kids Factor Life is here to help you live and learn.
Live and learn.
Big Bird gets lost. Got it, honey? Yeah. It's not too heavy for you? Okay, good. Hi. Hi, Mismo. Hi, Big Bird. Hi. Whoa.
Coming through. Slowly go.
Wow.
Hey, you remember what today is, don't you?
Of course, today is Snuffy's birthday.
Yeah, I've been looking forward to his skating party all week.
Did somebody say party?
Yeah, Oscar.
Snuffy's having a roller skating party.
Oh no! Happy people on wheels? My day is ruined.
And here comes the birthday boy again. Happy birthday, Snuffy.
Yeah, happy birthday.
Yes.
Hey, is everybody coming to my roller skating
Sure.
party?
Oh,
Yeah.
I wouldn't miss
for
it.
the world. Let us see.
Good. Well, I gotta keep on practicing. I'm still a little bit shaky.
Okay.
See ya.
Well, I hope he learns how to skate in time for the party. And I hope I can find him a birthday present in time for the party, because it has to be a very special present, because Snuffy is my best friend in the whole world.
Oh, Snuffy, are you all right, Snuffy?
My pal Snuffy.
Yeah, I think so. Yeah, I'm okay. Oh, I wish I could say the same for your trash can.
Oh, gosh, it's really dented.
Yeah.
Sorry, Maria, I couldn't stop.
Oh, well, that's all right, Snuffy. It was an accident. I'll just take this trash can back to my fix-it shop and see if I can get this dent out of it.
Take a dent out of your trash can? Are you kidding? That dent gives your trash can some character, Maria.
Oh, Oscar.
Hey, Snuffy, how about if next time you try crashing into my trash can?
There might not be a next time. Look at your skates, Snuffy.
Oh no, my skates! They're ruined!
Maybe my mom can fix them.
Hey, that's a good idea. Why don't we go ask Maria? Come on, Snuffy.
I don't know. I don't think even a fix-it person could fix these skates.
This is turning out to be a good day after all.
This doesn't look good. I don't think I'm going to be able to fix this trash can.
Mom, look what happened to Snuffy's skate.
Oh!
Maria, do you think you can fix them?
I don't think so. These skates are beyond repair. I'm sorry.
Oh, no. I guess this means no skating party.
No, Bird, there's still gonna be a skating party. I just will be the only one not skating, that's all.
Oh,
Oh.
Snuffy.
It's okay, Snuff.
Maria, it's Snuffy's birthday today. It wouldn't be right if everyone was skating except him.
Well, I know, but there's nothing we can do.
Wait a minute. Where you look? They're in the paper.
This?
Yeah, what does that say?
Big sale on Polar skates. The skate designed with large furry beasts in mind.
Hey, like Snuffy.
Buy the front pair, get the hind pair free. Today only at ABCD Mart.
Wow, Polar skates. That's what I could give Snuffy for his birthday. Then he'll be able to skate at his party. Oh, Maria, would you take me to the ABCD Mart, please?
The ABCD Mart, huh? Well, I know they sell trash cans, and I think I'm gonna have to buy a new one. Big Bird, I think we can go.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, that's great.
Yeah. But you know what? The ABCD Mart is a very big place, so we have to make sure that we stick together so we don't get separated. I wouldn't want either one of us to get lost.
Oh, me neither. Anyway, I couldn't lose you with that bright jacket you got.
Oh, well, thank you, Big Bird.
Hey, maybe I should wear a bright color too so you can't lose me.
No, Big Bird, you already are a bright color.
Oh, yeah.
Let's go.
Then, Mom said she couldn't fix Snuffy's skates.
Hi, everybody.
Hi.
Oh, Gabby, honey, do me a favor and tell Daddy that Big Bird and I went shopping, and we'll be back soon.
Okay.
Where are you going?
Oh, we're going to the ABCD Mart to buy Snuffy new skates. Don't tell him.
Oh, the ABCD Mart? That's a really big place with lots of people. I got lost there once.
You did? Were you scared?
Well, yeah, it was a little scary, but I knew what to do. I found someone who worked in the store, and I told her my name and my telephone number.
Well, good for you, Telly.
But why did you give them your telephone number?
That's so they could call someone and tell them where you are.
Oh, you mean like if I was lost, someone could call my Granny Bird and tell her.
That's right, Big Bird.
But I don't know her telephone number.
You don't? Well, then it's time you learned it. Come on, everybody.
Oh no, I hear music, and that means a song's coming. This is a bad day to be a grouch.
I like to dance with friends. I like to dance alone. And when I dance, I shout the number of my phone. I raise my left hand up, and then I raise my right. I wiggle and I clap, then I shake my hips all night. 5, 5, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4. I dance about my number. 5, 5, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4. Hands up, hands down, I rumba. 5, 5, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4. So easy to remember. Ooh, that's my number.
beat.
Now remember, this song only works when you put your own phone number to it, or the phone number of someone who takes care of you.
Oh, I want to try it with my Granny Bird's number.
Okay.
But what is her telephone number?
555-6789.
555-6789. That's my granny's number. 555-6789. Hands up, hands down, now rumba. 555-6789. So easy to remember. Oh, that's her number.
Good. Now it's your turn to do a dance about your number. Just ask a grown-up in your home for your phone number, and then you can try it. You ready? Just raise your left hand up, and then you raise your right. A wiggle and a clap. Then you shake your hips all night. What's that number? A dance about your number. Sing it again. Hands up, hands down, now rumba. Sing that number. So easy to remember. Ooh, that's your number. One more time. A dance about your number. Sing it again. Hands up, hands down, now rumba. What's that number? Easy to remember. Ooh, that's your number. All right, that was great.
That's a catchy tune.
Gee,
That's
Maria,
right.
do you think that could be a start of a new dance craze?
Oh, no, I don't think so. These line dances never catch on.
Oh.
Now that you're done with your happy singing, scram, will ya?
Oh, Oscar. Oh, here comes the bus anyway. Come on, Bigfoot, let's go shopping.
Boy, Maria, you're sure right. ABCD Mart is a huge, big store.
Just remember, Big Bird, we have to stick together.
Okay. Boy, I hope they have skates and snuffy size.
Yeah, I hope they have a good selection of trash cans.
Yo, sheepy, sheepy, sheepy. Yo, sheepy, sheepy, sheepy. Oh, excuse me. Have either of you seen a flock of sheep?
No, I'm sorry, I haven't.
Oh.
Gee, I haven't seen any sheep around here either, but don't I know you?
Well, the name's Bo Peep. Little Bo Peep.
Little Bo Peep? The Little Bo Peep? As in Little Bo Peep has lost her sheep and doesn't know where to find them?
That's right. Oh, where can they be? Oh.
Well, exactly what do your sheep look like?
Well, mostly they're white and oh so polite, but they haven't yet learned their letters. They'd much rather eat or have a group bleat, and their bodies look sort of like sweaters.
How did you lose them?
When I turned my back, that's when I lost track. My favorites are Wooly and Heather. They ran off to hide. Oh, I wish we had tried to stick a lot closer together.
That's what we were just talking about, right, Big Bird?
Right. Sticking together so we don't get lost.
Sticking together, that is what it's all about. Sticking together, every time that we go out. If I go here, you go here too. If I go there, that's what you do. Sticking together, every time that we go out.
If you go here, I go here too. If you go there, that's what I do. Because we're sticking together every time that
Bird. You wandered away from me.
But it was just for a few seconds. I wanted to get a closer look at this gumball machine.
Well, yes, I know, but when we're in a big, crowded place like this, we have to stick together, no matter what.
Okay, Maria.
Sticking together every time that we go out. Sticking together, that is what it's all about.
On grassy pastures, muddy trails, just keep me near those wagon tails.
On every stair and escalator, we're a pair for now or later. No running, hiding, understand. We're side by side and holding hands. Sticking together every time that we go out. Sticking together, that is what it's all about.
You're right. Sticking together is very important. Oh, I wish my sheep had learned that song.
Well, do your sheep know what to do when they get lost?
Oh, yes. I told them if we get separated, they should just stay right where they are.
You mean they shouldn't leave the store to go look for you?
No. Never leave the store. They should find a person that works in the store and tell them that they're lost.
Well, how can the sheep tell who works here in the store?
I told them to look for the name tags.
Good. Look, Big Bird, every store is different, but the people that work in this store wear a name tag with a star in it that says ABCD Mart. All your sheep have to do is find someone wearing that name tag, and they will call you over the loudspeaker.
What if the sheep can't find a person who works here in the store?
Well, then they should just find someone wearing a uniform, like a police officer.
Oh, I hope I find them soon. Please, please keep an eye out for them.
We will. Good luck.
Oh, thanks, sheep.
Bye.
Yo, sheep. Sheepy, sheep.
Gee, I hope she finds her sheep.
Yeah.
Will Little Bo Peep please report to the sod department? I repeat, Little Bo Peep, please come to the sod department.
I guess she found her sheep. Come on, let's go find those skates for Snuffy.
Oh, yeah. Oh, excuse me?
Good afternoon. May I help you?
Hi.
Yeah, we're looking for a pair of roller skates for my good friend Snuffy.
He's a snuffleupagus.
Yes, and today is his birthday.
I see. And what size does your friend wear?
Gosh, I don't know. What do you think, Maria?
I don't know. We forgot to check.
Well, how big are his feet?
Gosh, I'm not sure. It's hard to tell with all that fur.
Are they bigger than my sandwich?
Wow, that's a big sandwich. What do you think, Maria? No, they're not that big.
Alrighty then.
No, still not as big as that.
I don't know.
No, still not as big as that.
A little more. Perfect.
This is an 86 extra long. That's a very rare size indeed.
Oh.
But this just might be your lucky day.
Really? You mean you have skates in Snuffy's size? We need 2 fronts and 2 hinds.
Snuffy has 4 furry paws.
Yeah.
This just might be what you're looking for.
Wow!
Snuffy's gonna love those.
He sure is. We'll take them.
Yeah. Now we just have to find a trash can for you, Maria.
Right.
Cans? They'll be right down that way.
Okay, great. Well, thanks for the help.
Sure. And I'll get these over to the checkout for you.
Good, thanks.
Thanks. Bye.
Yep. Take care, bud.
This one's perfect. We'll just pay for all of our stuff, take the bus back to Sesame Street just in time for Snuffy's birthday party.
That's great.
You can use your ABCD Express card, or cash is perfectly acceptable.
Oh, okay. Well, let's see. I don't know if I have my card with me. It's silly, actually. Can I use that?
Boy, Snuffy's gonna be so happy when he sees these skates. Vroom, vroom, vroom. Oh no! Oh, Skate! Come back here! Skate, stop! Come on, Skate! Stop! Stop! Stop, Skate! Stop! Oh no! Oh!
Clean up on aisle 2. Clean up on aisle 2.
Ah, ha, ha. There you are, you little rascal. Wow, that was lucky. I almost lost Snuffy's brand new skate. Wow, then what would we do, huh, Maria? 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 Huh. Uh-oh. I have a feeling I'm not in cans anymore. Maria! Maria is lost! Oh! Oh, Maria!
Well, thank you. Okay, Big Bird, I've got my trash can. You've got the skates. Let's go to Sesame Street. Big Bird? Big Bird! Big Bird! Big Bird! Oh, no. Big Bird's lost.
My voice echoes louder than I've ever heard. Maria. It's the scariest moment I've had as a bird. Maria. 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 I just lost my friend named Maria. And suddenly the store is no fun anymore. No, sir. Maria, I should have stayed close to Maria when I let go of that skate. Oh, why did I not wait for her? Maria, she told me to cut out my playing. I last saw her while she was paying. Maria, oh, where is my friend named Maria?
Big Bird, I've just lost my good friend named Big Bird. And suddenly this store is no fun anymore, no way. Big Bird, where is my good friend, oh Big Bird? While I paid for my trash can, I bet that's when he ran away. Big Bird, I say it loud, 'cause I hope he'll hear me. Oh, why didn't he stay near me? Big Bird, oh, where is my good friend, oh, Big Bird?
Maria, where is my good friend Maria?
Big Bird, oh, where is my good friend, oh, Big Bird?
Oh, Maria!
Oh, Big Bird.
Oh, my golly! Mom said not to move from the water fountain. Wait right here by the water fountain, she said. I'll be back in 2 seconds, she said. Well, I did wait. Sorta. Okay, I went over to the puppy store, but I was coming my back, and I'm not lost. I'm not lost. I just have no idea where I am. So where am I?
You are here.
What? Where?
Here. You're by this little star on the map.
On the map? What's a map?
What do you mean, what's a map? This is a map. A picture of where things are.
Hey, I don't care where things are. I want to know where I am.
But if you know where things are on a map, and you know where you are on the map, then you can get from one place where you are now to another place where you'd like to be.
All I know is I'd like to be at the water fountain. You see, I went to the puppy store for just a minute, and then I came here to this place. And you're telling me this place is where this little star is on a silly map? I want to be where the water fountain is!
So look for the water fountain on the map.
Okay, it's here.
And look for the puppy store on the map.
Okay, that's over here.
And you know where you are on the map, right?
Oh, yeah, sure.
So if the puppy store is here, and the water fountain is here, and here by this little star on the map is the place where you are,
Yeah?
then
Then what?
Then all you have to do is remember that these are pictures of real places. And if you picture the real puppy store there, and the real water fountain there, and you know that you're really here...
Well, look, if I pictured all that, I'd picture the water fountain right behind me.
Exactly.
But if the water fountain was right behind me all the time, why did you say so?
Because that's what maps are for.
Big Bird. Big Bird. Big Bird. That's him. Big Bird.
I beg your pardon.
I'm sorry, madam. I thought your hat was my friend's behind.
Your friend's behind? Oh.
Maria? Gee. I know I'm gonna find her, but how? Think. What did Maria tell me?
Big Bird, remember, we have to stick together.
Well, it's a little too late for that. What else did she say?
Never leave the store. They should find a person that works in the store and tell them that they're lost.
But how do I know who works in this store?
Everybody that works here is wearing a name tag with a star on it that says ABCD Mart.
That's it. I just have to look for someone with a name tag. Like that. That woman has a name tag that says the letters ABCD on it. Just like the name of this store. Why, she must work here. Ha Oh, excuse me?
Yes, can I help you?
I hope so. My friend is lost.
Oh, your friend is lost. Well, sure, I can help you. I work here. I help find people who are lost all the time. We go right over there.
Okay.
Cleanup on aisle 2. We need a cleanup on aisle 2.
Did you ever have one of those days? Okay, let me just get some info. Your name is?
Big Bird.
First name Big, last name Bird. And the name of the person who you were shopping with?
Maria Rodriguez.
Ah, Maria Rodriguez, very good.
She was wearing a colorful jacket.
Ah, colorful jacket, very
Orange,
good.
orange.
And the number of a close relative who is at home?
Ooh. 555-6789. That's my granny's number. 555-6789. Hands up, hands down, no rumba.
Okay, congratulations, Big Bird. I think that we have all the information we need, and I'm sure that Maria is looking for you too. We'll find her in no time. All right, then. Attention ABCD Mart shoppers. Attention ABCD Mart shoppers. Will Maria Rodriguez report to the customer service desk immediately?
They found him! They found Big Bird!
Oh, look how pretty it is under the ocean as Captain Elmo Cousteau searches for the treasure. But where can the treasure be? Captain Elmo doesn't see it. Uh-oh, Captain Elmo must be lost. Oh, but look, there's a big fishy. And look, it's a policeman fishy. Whenever you are lost underwater, you can always get help from a policeman fishy. Excuse me, Mr. Policeman Fishy, but Captain Elmo Cousteau is lost. Do you happen to know where Captain Elmo can find the treasure of the missing soap? Oh, the nice Mr. Policeman Fishy tells Captain Elmo to follow him. Policeman Fishy will always help you when you are lost in the ocean. Okay, Mr. Policeman Fishy, lead the way. Oh, look! There's the treasure chest with the treasure of the missing soap. Now Captain Elmo has the treasure and it is time to go home. But Captain Elmo is lost again. Captain Elmo doesn't know how to find his way home. Oh no! Captain Elmo is afraid at the bottom of the ocean. Oh, thank you, Mr. Policeman Fishy. Mr. Policeman Fishy says that Elmo can hang on to Mr. Policeman Fishy and get a ride home. Okay, Mr. Policeman Fishy, let's go. Captain Elmo is ready. Oh, thank you, Mr. Policeman Fishy. The famous underwater explorer, Captain Elmo Cousteau, is heading home.
Oh, where is Maria?
Gee, she should have been here by now. Maybe she didn't hear the announcement.
Yeah, or maybe she's really, really lost. Maybe I'm never ever gonna see her again. Oh, Maria. Oh.
I'm sorry. I would have gotten here sooner, but there's a bunch of rubber balls all over the floor blocking the aisle. I'm Maria Rodriguez, and I believe you found a large yellow bird.
Maria? Maria!
Oh, Big Bird!
Maria!
Oh,
Maria!
Big Bird!
Oh,
Maria! Big Bird, I'm so relieved to see you. Thank goodness you're all right. Big Bird, I am so glad you remembered what to do when you got lost.
Me lost? I thought it was you who was lost.
Me? Big Bird, let's get our stuff and get out of here. We've got a skating party to go to.
Oh, right. Yes. Thanks.
Bye.
Bye.
You really should find some place to stack those balls. Somebody could trip.
Whoa, these skates are the greatest. Thanks, Bird. This is my best birthday ever.
Well, that's what best friends are for, Snuffy. And we couldn't have had a skating party without you, old buddy.
For he's a jolly good fellow.
For he's a jolly good fellow. For he's a jolly good fellow. That nobody can deny.
Yay! Happy birthday, Snuffy!
Make a wish, Snuffy.
I'll see, a wish.
Yeah, wish.
Okay, got one.
Look out, Maria!
That's gotta hurt.
Oh, no! At least I saved the cake.
Oh, hi. I'd like to take a minute to talk to the grown-ups out there. You know, it just takes a second for kids to get lost in a crowded place. And it's really scary for a kid. Not much better for the parent either. So you should teach your kids at a very early age what to do if you do get separated. And better yet, how not to get lost to begin with. The best way not to lose your children is to hold their hands. And if you must let go, be sure that you can see them at all times. And tell them that they have to be able to see you from wherever they are. Remember that most children wander off when they're not being paid attention to, or when their parents become distracted. Try to orient your child to the new surroundings by pointing out landmarks. If you have older children, you may decide together on an easy-to-find meeting place if you get separated. but younger kids should be told to stop, stay where they are, and look for someone nearby who works in the store or theme park or wherever you are. They should be told how to recognize store employees. Help your children to learn their full names, addresses, and phone numbers, as well as the names and numbers of their caregivers. Most of all, be sure your kids know to never leave the store. Excuse me. I've got to find a new line of work.
Sticking together, that is what it's all about. Sticking together, every time that we go out. If I go here, you go here too. If I go there, that's what you do. Sticking together, every time that we go out.
If you go here, I go here too. If you go there, that's what I do. Because we're sticking together every time that we go out. Sticking together, that is what it's all
Visit Sesame Street on the web at www.sesamestreet.com.
Look for these great products from Sesame Street. Growing up can be a little easier with Sesame Street's Kids Guide to Life series with 2 all-new stories.
Is it a story about the circus?
No, it's about a whole lot more. Elmo and guest star Dennis Quaid help Telly learn all about telling the truth in this new, totally original video. And on Book and Tape, The Emperor's New Fur teaches that telling the truth is the noble thing to do. Collect the other titles in the series, Learning to Share on video cassette and Big Bird's Band Plays Together on Book and Tape.
Ready to party? Then come on down to Sesame Street, where Maria, Gabby, Elmo, and Rosita are having a fiesta, new on video cassette. There's lots of laughter, learning, and music in both English and Spanish, with special guest stars Celia Cruz and Linda Ronstadt joining in the fun.
I love Carnival.
There's also Fiesta songs on CD and audio cassette, featuring songs from the video and more, so you can take this party with you everywhere.
Let the carnaval begin!
You can count on Ernie to make learning numbers a musical delight. He's dropping by the Furry Arms Hotel to give Humphrey, Ingrid, and Benny the Bunny a song-filled lesson in 1, 2, 3, Count With Me. It all adds up to a ringing good time. And on CD and audio cassette, you'll have a great time singing along with all your Sesame Street pals on kids' favorite songs. A musical treasury of best-loved classics. Hey there, it's time to get up and dance. Move to the beat with Big Bird and his friends as they do the dog, do the jelly, and even do the airplane. You'll have a great time. And the party continues on CD and cassette with Sesame Street's hot, hot, hot dance songs, featuring dance-happy Muppet versions of the Macarena and Hot, Hot, Hot.
We're ready to dance!
It's time to get silly with Sing Yourself Sillier at the movies, new on video. Movie reviewers Oscar the Grouch and Telly Monster give the thumbs up and down to 8 silly Sesame Street songs.
This is a movie that is definitely Oscar-worthy.
And there's more musical mayhem on video cassette with Sing Yourself Silly. Then jump up and shout with the Count, Bert, Ernie, and Oscar the Grouch to the wacky sing-along fun of silly songs on CD and audio cassette.
Now that was silly.
only from Sony Wonder, wherever children's videos, CDs, cassettes, and book and tape sets are sold.